Good afternoon, everyone. We're Team 10 from AeroLink. I'm the sales representative, Xiao Si, with product designer Zahin, technician Howard, and customer service representative Shubin. Today, we're going to show you something amazing. The Airbus A380 is the largest passenger airliner in the world, which is truly a mark of engineering achievement of mankind. But who here has seen an Airbus A380 being manufactured? We would like to bring you into the sights and sounds of the Airbus manufacturing line. Isn't that impressive? Despite how great these airplanes are, their introductions have been plagued with delays due to production and manufacturing problems. Now, Zahin will talk more about the background problem.
Thank you, Alice. The reality is that airlines are not keeping on par with a rapidly changing global market. By not adjusting to demand fluctuations, companies are not agile nor responsive. By not adopting new technologies, they are slow to rapid changes. And by not employing flexible manufacturing, these companies are losing to the global competition battle. So how can they overcome these problems? We have a solution, and it's just 2 words: AeroLink. This revolutionary new product unleashes the power of reconfigurable assembly lines. By simulating user input-driven manufacturing configurations, users will be able to incorporate responsiveness and speed into their operations. The platform includes fast analysis and novel simulation methods to lead to strategic decision-making. This is a product that empowers users to be in total control of their manufacturing and to make it into a resilient, intrepid force. Howard will now take you into the technology behind our product.
Thank you, Zahin. Here's a section of the assembly line we're simulating. Parts of the airplane arrive at the bottom of each operation line. They go up as the worker operates on the parts. Eventually, all the parts will arrive onto the final assembly line. Reconfigurable machines assemble finished parts onto the main part of the airplane that's already on the assembly line. After running through the whole assembly line, a new airplane is assembled. Now let's look at how we can model this whole system with only a few nodes. Here's a snapshot of our ERG. Using only these nodes, we're able to simulate a variable number of operation lines and the different steps on each operation line. This simple model makes our product fast to run, extremely flexible, and adaptive to various customers. Now I'll dive into our ERG to show how this can be done. 2 self-loops with Boolean variables will simulate all the arrivals of the airplane parts. The taller loop initializes all the part arrivals for all the operation lines, whereas the smaller loop simulates later arrivals. Start, finish, check. Only 3 nodes simulate all the steps in 2-dimensional operation line. 2 parameters are passed around to let the worker know which line he's working on and where he needs to go next. All the assembling steps on our final reconfigurable assembly line are also reduced this way. Check node loops along the line, providing a pull system. Now I'm going to pass it on to Shubin to talk about the smart features of our product.
Okay, one of the smart features of our product is financial calculation. Our product will enable the customer to calculate the financial information immediately after they finish all the simulations. After the simulation, our product will track how many parts and how many machines you have used and how many workers you have hired, etc. Then it will put all this information into our user interface and then do all the calculation about finance. Well, you might wave your hands and say, since this product's modeling is really innovative and the feature is really smart, as a non-technical person, will I be able to use this product? Yes. Now I'm telling you that even 8th grade students will be able to use our product. If you don't believe in me, you can try our product now. The free version of our product is available online, and the link is on the slide. Therefore, our product is really user-friendly. There are only 3 steps to use it. Download it, input it, and click it. Once you open our product, you can see a clean and simple user interface. You click the Start button to start the simulation. First, you input all the data to each scenarios, and then you need to input the financial information. And after that, you just click Simulate to start the simulation. And then after a couple of minutes, you will be able to observe the output. We have prepared the production rate and the other financial information output for you. For example, if you click the Finance button, you will know how much revenue you have generated and how much cost it is under each scenarios. And for your convenience, you have the navigation bars available for you to switch between each scenarios. Now I'm going to pass it to Alice to further discuss our product's utility.
Thank you, Shubin. First, we'll talk about 3 parts of the utility. Firstly, capacity, flexibility. Your customers can always customize the inputs, which can meet the productivity fluctuations caused by the change in demand in this fast-changing world. Secondly, cost reduction. To be honest, cost is always one of the bigger things that we all care about. Automation requires significant investment, and AeroLink will give you great insights to reduce costs. Thirdly, resource utilization. The magic of AeroLink is, of course, not the Excel interface simply, but the customized simulation results. Based on previous points, when realizing meeting the product demand with a reasonable cost, AeroLink will suggest an optimal strategy on resource allocation.
Moreover, a product imparts critical financial knowledge to the user. Simply input fixed and variable costs, product selling price, and the system will output profits generated for the selected configuration. Our product also evaluates performance by tracking congestion levels, tracking worker utility to help with management decisions, and production rate and output. Our goal is to aid you in being the best manager possible. And finally, our product makes your manufacturing rock solid. Even in the event of machine failures, it will rapidly reconfigure by checking to reassign idle resources. This makes your operation resilient to slowing down and makes you more fit to outproduce and to outsell your competition. If you're still not convinced, we have one more thing to add: customer service. And now from the IT Help Desk, Shubin Lee.
Okay, this is Shubin Lee, and then I want to say that AeroLink are willing to consult with you around the clock, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. With your purchase, you not only get an amazing product, but our passion and our dedication and our talents to ensure that you have a high-quality experience. Thank you for your time, and we are AeroLink.